Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I got this bad blondie look featuring 613 bundles from Ali Pearl. So if you want to find out more, stay tuned. For the bundles, I got a 16-inch frontal as well as 3 other bundles, 18, 20, and 22. And these bundles are really thick. You're not going to need all 3 of the bundles in addition to the frontal to complete this wig. So as you can see, I've already used the medium dark dye to darken the root of the hair. Now I'm just putting in the Wella toner, putting in 3 of them. The ratio is 3 bottles of the Wella toner to 2 full cups of the Wella toner filled with developer. It's kind of easier to show than explain. And then you want to mix it up really well, no clumps, till everything is a sort of even color. This is after 10 minutes of leaving the hair. It's kind of a silvery look, very ash blondie, but not entirely finished yet. You're gonna leave the hair for 20 minutes. And this is how it's looking after 20 minutes. I rinse it out and I rinse it with the Shimmer Light shampoo. I'm just showing you how I have the lowlights and highlights in this hair. I purposely put some of the dark root, just little strands of it in between the blonde lines so that it can have that dark look, not entirely beachy blonde, but it will have like highlights and lowlights. So this is me showing you the hair as I just finished, and as you can see, the root is very light and the lace, it doesn't match my skin tone. But I don't really want to go and buy a whole nother kit just to dye the lace to my skin tone. So I ended up just putting foundation and putting mascara to kind of blend with the root, and it looks fine, as you guys can see. You can see the highlights and lowlights here. Okay, Baddie Blondie slaying. I thought I was cute, you know. I even curled the hair, always putting heat protectant, as you know. Bleached hair is very sensitive. But unfortunately, I thought this hair was gonna last. I thought it was gonna be great. I was trying to get it pumped up in time for my birthday in April, but good things come to an end. Unfortunately, this hair was one of them. You can see in the front it's looking very flat. At this point, I could no longer keep the curls up. I would literally walk down the stairs and put in a little sweat, and the hair would start unraveling, start tangling, especially in the back. The hair would tangle, and this is less than a month. The only style I could do were pin-ups, where I put my hair up in the back and curls and laid the hair flat. This is my honest review of the Ali Pearl hair after being dyed ash blonde. Get it? Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.